Good morning. It is day 37, I believe. I don't think I said the day number on yesterday's video, but you guys are smart. You can add or read, I assume. I don't think you should watch my videos if you don't know how to read. I'm a little bit kind of discriminating against you illiterate folk, but that's life, right? Those lights don't have power. We need to give them power. So the power starts here. We gotta trench it all the way over here. Except we ran into cement. We ran into a lot of fence posts. So we gotta bust those out. And we gotta run all the way down and then all the way over. I don't think that's ever a good sign. Here's some rock pieces. And more rock pieces. Devil rocks. A rock digger. And we're trying to get this big dog here. Yeah. That's how it's done. On what appears to be the last piece of cement. It's probably more, but for now. We did it. Success. Well, I made it back home in one piece, pretty much. Now I'm going to go to lunch with my parents, but I have to clean up because I'm a sweaty, dirty mess. I was going to say something else, but don't worry about that. So I just took off my socks. Thought you might want to know that. I'll see you on the other side, unless you want to come to the shower with me? Yeah? Okay, for the views, I guess. To get the subscriptions, I'll take this in the shower with me. You guys ready for this? Just kidding. I wasn't gonna take you guys in the shower with me. Oh man, how crazy would that have been? This guy looks cool. Can you read that? That bumper sticker? I don't think so. He has two ducks, and it says "Hooked on Quack." Ah. Oh, that's funny.
hearing this like run in my head, and I was like, Ryan, can you do this? Do it, do it, do it, do it. And then he like whipped it out just like that. And it's exactly what I wanted. It's like exactly.
Exactly?
It's exactly. Trace coming around the bend, yes. Kicking and crack. It's not the smoke I throw my heart in. Oh, but you send it back. I can't hear the day
Well, that's it.
Exactly.
Now, I feel way cooler when I play the bass. Well, that was the day. Did some work. I got home and did a lot of computer work for the church, and then I started to convert my iMovie files to burnable files, so that I could transfer all my stuff onto DVDs, because I'm starting to lose lots of space. So I've got 12 out of, I think today's day 37, so 12 out of 37 down, but I got everything ready, so tomorrow my storage was pretty crappy, but now I'm ready. Yeah, that's it. I will see you guys tomorrow, and thanks for watching.